Good morning again. It's Mark Hubbard at Paragon Furniture, and in our continuing conversation about Paragon Clean product series, our direct response to the coronavirus, trying to make products safer and healthier for students and teachers when they return to school in the fall, I want to introduce you to what we're calling a polycarbonate wrap partition. Rotate this a little so you can see what we're talking about. This particular polycarbonate wrap shield is three-sided. This is designed to go on virtually any typical student desk. They can attach to our products, our standard desk products, perhaps even attached to some other supplier products that you may already have in the field. One of the important features, or some of the important features to point out here, polycarbonate is very durable, very flexible, and very lightweight, so that when and if these partitions are no longer needed, these are not difficult to store and they will not likely get damaged in storage. One of the key features of the polycarbonate wrap partition is the mounting feature, the attachment feature. We wanted to make sure this was very simple for you to install, so we've come up with, I think, a pretty clever bracket here that really just requires a thumb adjustment to create that tension from underneath. There's a button head bolt here underneath that provides the pressure or the tension to keep this bracket and this panel affixed to the tabletop. So we have different size options here for the polycarbonate wrap. The one you're looking at here is three-sided and extends almost to the front of the user side of the desk, but we do have some that are half and a quarter of the depth of the student desk as well. So we have different options in terms of the dimensions of the polycarbonate wrap. Our sales folks would love to talk to you more about it. Please check out our website, paragoninc.com. There you'll find cut sheets for the polycarbonate wrap, as well as the other products that comprise our Paragon Clean series. We look forward to talking with you about these items. We look forward to helping you re-enter school in the fall with safer and healthier products. Thanks so much, and we'll talk about another product on the next video.